This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signing in now. Use the Google account tied to your data. Start by selecting the Pro plan and confirming billing information so upgrades apply immediately. Next, open the Google One app or website and tap Storage Settings. Choose Backup Targets, Drive, Photos, and Device folders so everything syncs. Once done, make sure automatic backups are enabled and select Wi-Fi only if you want to save mobile data. This begins the proactive protection of your files. Once backups are running, configure advanced features you'll actually use. Turn on the Google One VPN if your plan includes it to secure browsing. You'll find that option in Security. Then customize backup schedules and exclusions. Pick folders and file types to skip so you save storage for priority data. Make sure device protection settings match your needs, and if sharing, assign family roles and access limits to avoid accidental deletions. These steps refine performance and privacy, while keeping finish by checking the storage breakdown and running the cleanup tool to remove large or duplicate items. This optimizes your Pro quota. Confirm device backups completed by viewing recent backup timestamps, then run a quick test restore of a small file so you know the process works. If something fails, troubleshoot. Verify you're on the correct Google account, confirm sync is enabled, sign out and back in, and restart the app or device. These steps resolve most common sync or access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.